All right, guys. So today I'll be breaking down. It should be trade, but unfortunately, it's trades that I'll be breaking down with you guys. Yes, I did revenge trade. I did end up winning, but it was still a losing day. Anyways, let's go through the first trade that I took. So obviously, like I told you guys, I was looking to be bullish. If you watched yesterday's video, I wanted to be bullish if we had broken above this daily bearish fair value gap. We did. We opened up at the tip of the bearish weekly fair value gap. So to me, that was like, yep, we're going up. US 500 did the same thing. It was a day no one should have really traded, to be honest. I mean, I know some people did catch a trade and they did win, but depends on your bias. If you were bearish, then cool, you would have won. But if you were bullish, like I think most of the people were, you might have lost. Anyways, US 100. 4 hours, there wasn't really anything. I mean, yeah, there was this big fair value gap. So I said, boom, and also on the 1 hour. So I said, cool, if we break down towards the 9:30 mark, 9:30 opened, boom, came all the way down, took out the London low, because I count London from 2 to 5. Boom. So I'm saying we're going to come down and then go all the way up to the hourly. This is the hourly buy side liquidity, and this is 15-minute buy side liquidity. So I thought, yeah, cool, we're going to do that. Once I saw that, I came in, went into my lower time frame, and how I usually trade is, what I usually do is I wait for this leg to happen. I've never caught a trade, maybe once or twice, where it just a V shape straight up. Usually it would always do this, come down, then I'll take this trade, then I'll count wherever this is, even wherever this swing high, crazy star, wherever this swing high is, usually it'll be like around here, a bit shorter. Then when this buy side confirms a market structure shift and a displacement, then I'll take it. But I'll explain what happened later. So the first trade, boom, I classified this as a market structure shift right here. Let's put that like that. Boom. And then the first fair value gap presented after the sweep. Oh, bear in mind, there was an SMT with US 500 as well. As you can see, we didn't take it out till later, like till 10:30. So we were in a SMT. So I was like, perfect setup, why not? Boom, enter, stopped out straight away. Else, nothing I could do. And then what did I do? Because I was so confident and I thought, yeah, it has to be right. My feelings got hurt. Shouldn't have. And it was the wrong thing to do. We entered again. Now, where did we enter? 1 second, let me show you where I entered. So, US 500. We entered now. There was an SMT here between, for some reason on my broker, on C Trader, this SMT was never apparent. It never appeared. But on Trading View, it did. Oh no, sorry, on C Trader it did happen, but on Trading View it didn't. As you can see, yeah, they made higher highs, but on C Trader, US 100 was made a lower low, higher low. So I said, I should not have traded at all. I should have waited for both to confirm though taking out this high. Because this SMT just showed me that it just wants to go lower. And what happened? It did. So I should have never taken this trade. Because I'm only looking for longs today. I'm not looking for shorts. So what did I do? Anyways, boom. I didn't stick to my rules. I was impatient. I was upset. Entered off this fair value gap, the first one. I was going to enter off this one here, But I said, no, this is the first one. It was a small one, but look. And then what did we do? Entered here, place the stop. The worst part was, yeah, put a stop loss here. And then target these highs up here, equal highs. And then I was going to let it run up here. Oh, by the way, with this one, did I show you guys what I wanted to put? Yeah, stop loss was here. Originally should have been probably better there, but oh well, we still would have lost because I would have only taken partials up here. And then, but yeah, this is what I was telling you guys. So look, once we got this market structure shift here, boom, market structure shift. It wasn't really strong, but it was one, and I was still confident on going long. What happens? Phew. Peak. Then, you know, I was like, yeah, you know what, let me just blow this account, bro. You know what? Fuming now. I decided to go straight away long. Where did I go long? Was it here? It was somewhere here, like, let's just say here. And then I put my stop loss up here at the high. And I was like, you know what? Safe. Boom. Funny enough, it worked. This trade should, like, alhamdulillah, like, it worked. So my TP1 was here. Let's put that in caps. TP1. Then I took a TP2, like, somewhere here. I don't remember because I was on my phone. TP2. Then I closed and exited here because I saw we were rejecting TP, or not, exit. So I knew, yep, it's gonna go higher. This imbalance got closed. This imbalance got closed. So I said, yeah, it's gonna go up. Originally, I said, you know, I'm just gonna leave the run and let it go all the way down, filling this imbalance down here. But when I saw that, it was a smart exit. Made a 1-to-1. I think this was meant to be a 1-to-2, yeah, but I kept taking my partial taking. I think I took 30% here. Then I added positions. I added a position here. Somewhere here, I did a position. Yeah, I only ended up getting a 1-to-1. Why? That's a bit weird. And then I think I took another. I think I took the remaining like 80%. So it went from 100 lots to 70 lots. Oh my days, I should have got at least a 1-to-1.5. See, this is what I'm saying, man. It was. And then, yeah, that's how it ended the day. And alhamdulillah, yeah, these are the trades. So what did we do right? Well, we did stick to our model, but not really. Kind of. We did everything bad today. We came in with an ego. We came in confident, too overconfident. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.